Hello, that was the next for today. Sound like an air horn for myself right here. It is red. Listen carefully. See, that's how loud this air horn really is. The marine air horn I got in the mail. Apparently, when these run out of pressure, you just let them build up again for it to work. It's super loud. Trust me. I told my parents about this and they're so scared of it. I did it outside. It is hilarious. A link will be in the description of the horn where I got it from. The marine air horn sport. I'll do it one more time. That's how loud it really is. That's it for this video. If you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. Send this video.